Hey guys, fastest way to get the longest GoHighLevel free trial going. Quick disclosure, I earn a commission if you sign up through my link, cost you nothing extra. The link's already in my description, so click that first because it unlocks a full 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14. Let me run you through the whole thing quickly. Step 1. That link takes you to a special bootcamp page, not the normal homepage. The homepage only gives you 14 days. My link gives you a full 30 plus a free live bootcamp. Big difference before you do anything else. Step 2. Sign up. Name and email, then pick a plan. Starter's $97 a month after the trial with up to 3 client accounts. Unlimited's $297, and it's the popular one because client accounts are unlimited. Add billing to start, and here's the key bit. There's no subscription charge during the 30 days, just small usage fees if you send text or make calls while you're testing. The very next screen shows you when it ends and exactly how to cancel, which takes about 2 clicks. Step 3. Use the time. The setup guide hands you a checklist, and the funnel builder's got over 900 templates, so launch a funnel in week 1 and run real campaigns from there. With a full 30 days free, you'll know for sure whether GoHighLevel's worth it. That's the whole play. 14 days direct, a full 30 through my link, and I've stacked some bonuses in the description too. Click the link, claim your 30-day trial, and lock it in before the offer changes. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.